Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by Memaw's house. And if you're new to my channel, welcome home. I'm Angela. I'm a wife, a mother, a grandmother. On this channel, I like to share recipes, home management tips, DIYs, and self-care ideas, all from the perspective of a seasoned woman. And we know that seasoning can come in many different shapes and forms. So today I'm going to share my love of cooking. I love to cook, and as you've seen on some of my other videos, I like to share those recipes, as I stated before. So let's get to the kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pumpkin cream cheese muffins. I couldn't even remember. Pumpkin cream cheese muffins that I'm trying to replicate that recipe from Starbucks. If you've ever had that Starbucks muffin, you'll know the one I'm talking about. So I want to replicate that muffin. I'll let you know how it turns out. In the meanwhile, let me get my apron on and we'll get to cooking. Okay, let's get started by prepping our muffin pans. I'm going to lightly spray them with oil, and then I'm going to line them with muffin liners. I bought these muffin liners over at Hobby Lobby, and they were $1.99. So I think the little pattern is real cute. It is a fall leaf with pumpkin pattern. So let's line our muffin tin. Okay, the next step to our muffin making is to prepare our cream cheese filling. And I have included in my ingredients an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese, 1 egg, some vanilla extract, and about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to mix that until smooth. I think this recipe should make about 18 or 24 muffins. I lined my muffin tin for 24 muffins, so I'm hoping it'll make that much. Now that that's done, let's go ahead with the streusel mixture, which is flour, cinnamon, sugar, and some pecans, chopped pecans. I'm just going to mix that up together, mix it well, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons or so of butter. I'm going to cut that in with a fork, just until I get some medium-sized chunks in the actual streusel mixture. Now I've set my cream cheese topping aside and my streusel mixture aside. Let's get busy with making the muffins. The muffins require flour, sugar, eggs, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, pumpkin, oil, and I'm going to mix it together. I'll show you how I get that done. First, I'm going to whisk together my dry ingredients until they're well mixed. You see that cinnamon just came on in there. And then I'm going to put a well into the middle of my mixture, my dry mixture, and add my beaten eggs. I just beat the eggs a little bit with a fork. and my pumpkin and oil. I'm going to add my teaspoon of vanilla here at the end now that everything is beat together, and I'm going to mix that in. You'll notice that I use my measuring utensils when I'm trying to develop a recipe because I like to kind of get a good understanding of how much I'm putting in. Otherwise, I'm just winging it. Now it's time to spoon my batter into my muffin tins. I'm using a half cup measuring cup, and I'm only doing about a half of that cup and getting it put in probably until it's 3/4 of the way full. Now it's time to put the cream cheese mixture in. I normally try to pipe that in, but I just don't have a piping bag, so I'm going to spoon it in and we'll see how this works for me. But I'm just going to put it on the top. I'm trying not to get it too much on the muffin cups because I don't want it to get messy. You see I got a little mess going on there. Try to clean that up before I put it in the oven. All right, now it's time to put the streusel mixture on. I'm kind of mixing it up a little bit with my hand, and then I'm going to use my handy measuring cup so that I can sift a little bit on each muffin top. So you see my batter made 20 muffins, and that works for me. Okay, let's get them in the oven. The muffins baked for 23 minutes. So I would say when I write the recipe, it would be 20 to 25 minutes at the muffins should be in the oven. So I'm stacking them up all nice on my cake plate, and I'm going to share it with my family. I think they'll love them. Here's the recipe. I hope you pause, read, and enjoy. Try it out. I hope your family loved it because mine did. Bye.